Hello, my name is Swall. I'm from Brazil, living in Luxembourg. Currently, I'm a solutions architect working with AWS, and Whizlabs helped me a lot to study for AWS certifications. It gave me a lot of insights about the topics that I should work and I should study to pass the certification. It changed my mind in the way that I was studying, because on Whizlabs we have all the explanations for the answers, and if we are not sure about the answer, we can go deeply in the answer and understand a little bit more about what is expected for the question. And yeah, I do recommend a lot Whizlabs for everyone that wants to pass all the certifications, not just AWS, but Google, Azure, and all the other certifications that we currently have in the market.